Good morning, student. Now I am here to give you the last video of the lesson in which we were studying about manufacturing industry, and we have seen all important industry which are important to us. Now student, I am going to teach you the last point, and this is the most important. This is the most important point, student, about environmental degradation and industrial pollution. This is the most important point. Okay, so of course students, industry play an important role in the economy of the country, but at the very same time it also cause environmental degradation. Now we will see a step by a step that how different types of pollution generated by the industry. First we have student have to see air pollution. So we are well known it is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases. High proportion of undesirable gases like sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, so airborne particulate material contain both solid and liquid particles like dust, spray, mist and smoke. एकदम पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट आपको लिखना है स्टूडेंट से, नोट्स में तो हम दे ही दिए. Smoke is emitted by the chemical and paper factories, brick kilns, refineries as a smelting unit plants. Toxic gases leakage. We have seen students several cases in India about the leakage of toxic gases. ठीक है, तो this students cause a long term effect. Okay, so this was the air pollution students. If we see the water pollution, it is caused by organic and inorganic industry, है ना, waste that is discharged into rivers. Okay, so the main culprits of the water pollutions are the paper, pulps, chemical, textile and dyeing petroleum refineries students that cause the water pollutions. ठीक है, flies means gypsum that is required students in the cement industries, iron and steel slags, okay, are the major solid waste in India. Okay, so this is the water pollution students. Okay, this is the most important about the thermal pollution. Students, it occurs when heated water from factories and the thermal plants is drained into river. Heat water students. Okay, so waste from nuclear power plants, nuclear weapons productions means cause cancer, है ना. Waste from nuclear power plants, nuclear weapon productions cause cancer, birth defects and miscarriage. Dumping of waste, especially glass, harmful chemicals, industry influence, packaging, salt and garbage make the soil useless. Rainwater students percolates into the soil, carrying the pollutant of the groundwater, and the groundwater is contaminated. Okay, so this is the effect of thermal productions. And if we talk students about the noise pollution, so noise pollution not only result in irritations and anger. Noise pollution not only results in irritations and irritation and anger, it can also cause hearing impairment and a stress resulting in high blood pressure. This is the most dangerous students that may cause the heart disease. Industrial and construction activities such as machineries, factory equipment, है ना, cause heavy noise pollution in India. Okay, so this was what pollution generated due to the industries. But students, industry being an important asset for the economy of the country, we must know how can we control it. Okay, so if so far as control of water pollution is concerned, we have to follow the following step. Minimize use water for processing by reusing and recycling it. Okay, minimize used water through the recycling. ठीक है. सेकेंड में स्टूडेंट्स, treating of hot water and influents before releasing them into the river. Okay, तो industrial influence can be students means treated into the different phases. The primary treatment by mechanical means. Primary treatment, it involves screening, grading, etc. Secondary treatment students is the biological process. Okay, and tertiary treatment is biological, chemical and physical process. So far as noise pollution is concerned, we must know students कि machinery must be up to date and there must be a proper silencer in every chimney to reduce the volume of machine. Okay, sound of machine. So through this way, and there should be a proper students decomposition of industrial influence. So this is the only way through which we can have a proper mitigate to the industrial pollution, and as industry is important to us, we have to mitigate the industrial pollution and it is quite essential students. Okay, so this was what students we have to study in manufacturing industries. Okay, in spite of all the video notes, if you have any problem, you have to directly consult me so that I can make you understand better. And this is the students, you have to focus on industrial pollution. This is the most important. Okay, that's all students. Have a nice day. Here you can see students about the industrial pollutions through the video. Okay, so we mainly find that industrial pollution is caused by the influence of waste materials. Okay, chemical gases that is released into our atmosphere through the chimney. Okay, and the release of the industrial waste through the water also. So these are the main cause a reason students of the industrial pollution, because it is not well planned. We only students dumped this undesirable material and the chemical students of the industry है ना, in negligence. So there are the 4 types of pollution: air pollutions, water pollution, soil degradations, yeah, pollution are the noise pollution students. Okay, so these are the mainly 4 different types of pollutions that we see there. And if we talk about the air pollution, so it is mainly released through the chimney of industry that contain students harmful gases which is released through the chimney in our environment and cause the foggy weather condition student there, which students mix with the undesirable gases that particulate in our environment students and cause the air pollution. Okay, so these are the main cause students of the pollution that we notice through the releasing of a smoke through the chimney that cause a heavy student which the industry is responsible. The paper mill students there है ना, the paper mills हो गए. ओके, मीन्स वायर रिफाइनरीज हो गया, आयरन स्मेल्टिंग हो गया, ब्रिक्स लीन हो गया. तो दिस स्टूडेंट्स आर द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ द एयर पोल्यूशन. यू विल रिमेंबर दिस इंडस्ट्री स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, इन आवर कंट्री. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर students, you may find there that Bhopal gas tragedy that became the hot issue in the newspaper during that time affected the 5 million people of our country that students caused in 1984. So this industrial pollution students is means not only in developing country but also the developed and undeveloped country where the industrial pollution is the major source of global है. कोई हमारे देश में नहीं है स्टूडेंट, दुनिया का हर देश इससे ग्रसित है, चाहे वो डेवलप देश हो या अनडेवलप हो या फिर डेवलपिंग हो. And these students now became a havoc conditions at the international level. That is why a number of summit students are held at the world level to mitigate this industrial pollution, because this is the danger for the human life. And that we see And if you remember students, that we see through the Bhopal gas tragedy that occurs in India due to the methyl isocyanate gases that was leaked in 1984 there, okay, and 2 to 3rd December, caused the means directly students, it affected the 5 lakh of the people students there, okay. So really if we wish to make industry safe, we have to mitigate also, and we have to utilize the different equipment for the safe productions of industries in India, that you have seen through the previous video students, that how can we mitigate the industrial pollution. Okay students, okay, have a nice day.